we understand that all decisions made by the ICI are entirely up to them because they're an independent body. But since the ICI is the President's initiative, may we know if Malacanang is confident in the ICI's commitment to live stream hearings? Kasi po, simula nung ilabas yung guidelines last week, lahat po ng resource persons nag-request for executive sessions, meaning they're not live streamed. And if we would just let resource persons, especially public officials, have their way in participating in these investigations, doesn't that defeat the purpose of transparency?
Mahirap pong pangunahan ang mga alituntunin, ang polisiya ng ICI. Okay, this is created, established by the President, but that's the reason why it is called Independent Commission. Sila po ang magsasagwa ng kanilang mga procedure. At malalaman naman po ng ICI yan kung ano po ang hiling ng tao. At ayon naman sa kanila, may mga legal na basis kung bakit ina-allow nila yung executive sessions. So, mas maganda po na ang katanungan na yan ay sa kanila talaga iba to dahil mas alam nila kung ano ang nagaganap sa hearing nila.